be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out in today's video. Or everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct at the moment, okay, kindly make sure you check out the charts before you follow up with the analysis, okay, so that you will be sure if everything is still going on as predicted, or where you should be sure of the situation of the chart before you go into it. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into it. Before we will be starting with Ganex 1200. Okay, so let's check it out one after the other. Okay, so guys, this is Ganex 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend milk indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, we remember when we started this downtrend, it has finally come to an end, and today I also drop a signal on this in the Telegram channel. So many people are already cashing out with this signal. Okay, so this has actually gotten to the first TP, and we expect it to get to this region, and if it breaks out from here, we expect to get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be Ganex 999. Okay, so there are so many signals dropped in the Telegram channel. Okay, this has been an uptrend for a while. Okay, so it's actually made an attempt to go into a downtrend, so got to the first TP according to what I dropped in this Telegram channel. However, it didn't go too far, only achieved the first TP. Okay, so I must say congratulations to you guys. So like I said, the market can always misbehave whenever it feels like misbehaving. You can see it's had a major pullback and went back up to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so and once that happens, it's going to buy more, and that is why it is still buying. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be Penex 1200. This is Penex 1200. Got to the resistance zone. It was unable to break out above the resistance zone, gave us a downtrend signal, and it has been selling since then. I also dropped this signal in the Telegram channel, and it has gotten to the first TP already. So we hoping that it will get to the second, the third, and the fourth TP. Okay, so this is very important, but make sure you use a good stop loss, okay, a good risk management strategy, so that you don't lose your money in case the market misbehave. But we expect this to give us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, congratulations to those of you who actually picked the signal earlier in the Telegram channel. It is still selling, so we follow up with that. Okay, so next asset is going to be Penex 99. Okay, this is Penex 999, and of course this actually got to the resistance zone, made an attempt to sell out, had another pullback and played around there for a while, and it is still selling again. Okay, so this is going to be more selling opportunity. We expect it to get to this region, and if it breaks out from here, it will sell more, but if it does not, it will go back up again to see how if it can break out above the resistance zone. Okay, but we expect more selling opportunity right from there because it is selling at the moment. Okay, now the next asset is going to be FX volume 880. Okay, this is FX volume 80. Okay, this actually it's actually cleared out all the TPs. Okay, it's cleared out all the TPs, and it went straight into a buying straight. Okay, after breaking out from this resistance zone. That's so amazing, guys. It actually did a breakout at the early hour of today, and of course it has been buying since then. Okay, so this is still very much on a buying opportunity. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, we should be looking out to the next resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, to go back into a downtrend. Okay, so we should take note of this, guys. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now on this on my YouTube channel. You can also follow the Telegram channel. The link is there in the description box. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via my WhatsApp. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number, guys. So you can contact me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.